Picture this: azure waters, white sand beaches, and the vibrant rhythm of reggae music. Jamaica. But buying land here isn't as simple as it seems. Let's explore the hidden costs of buying land in Jamaica. Jamaica's allure is undeniable, but buying land here can be complex. Legal issues, land ownership, and local regulations can be challenging. We'll uncover these hidden costs to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned to discover the truth about buying land in Jamaica. Jamaica's beauty is captivating, from its beaches to its mountains. Many dream of owning a piece of this paradise, but buying land here requires careful consideration and research. Let's understand the potential pitfalls. Legal complexities are a significant hidden cost in Jamaica. Engage a reputable Jamaican lawyer to navigate the process. Verify land titles and conduct thorough surveys. Compliance with local regulations is crucial. Local professionals are essential when buying land in Jamaica. Hire a licensed real estate agent familiar with the market. Build a trusted team of experts, including surveyors and contractors. Their insights will ensure a smoother buying experience. Understanding land ownership in Jamaica is crucial. Titles can be registered, unregistered, or common law. Always seek legal advice to verify ownership. Due diligence is key to protecting your investment. Local regulations impact land use and development. Consult planning authorities for zoning and building permits. Compliance prevents costly delays and fines. Be informed and compliant from the start. A comprehensive land survey is essential. It reveals boundary disputes and easements. Hire a licensed surveyor for a detailed report. A survey ensures you know exactly what you're buying. Hidden fees and taxes can add up quickly. Factor in stamp duty, legal fees, and registration costs. Budget for building permits and utility connections. A good real estate agent can estimate closing costs. Buying land in Jamaica has pros and cons. The natural beauty and culture are major draws, but legal complexities and market volatility are challenges. Weigh these factors carefully before deciding. Jamaica's growing tourism industry attracts investors. Property values are rising, offering potential returns, but real estate investment carries risks. Consult financial advisors for informed decisions. While Jamaica's real estate market shows promise, it's not immune to fluctuations and volatility. External factors such as global economic conditions, currency exchange rates, and even natural disasters can all impact property values and investment returns. One of the key factors to consider is the exchange rate between your home currency and the Jamaican dollar. Fluctuations in this rate can significantly impact the overall cost of your investment, both at the time of purchase and in terms of ongoing expenses. For instance, if your home currency weakens against the Jamaican dollar, your purchasing power decreases, making the investment more expensive. Conversely, a stronger home currency can work in your favor, potentially increasing your returns when you decide to sell. It's also important to be aware of the potential impact of natural disasters, such as hurricanes and earthquakes, which are a reality in the Caribbean region. While Jamaica has building codes and regulations in place to mitigate risks, natural disasters can still cause damage and disruption, potentially affecting property values and investment timelines. Navigating market volatility requires careful planning, research, and a degree of flexibility. It's essential to stay informed about market trends, consult with local experts, and be prepared to adjust your investment strategy as needed. While Jamaica boasts breathtaking natural beauty, it's crucial to be mindful of environmental considerations when buying land, particularly in coastal areas or regions susceptible to natural disasters. Climate change is a pressing global issue, and its impact is felt acutely in island nations like Jamaica. Rising sea levels, increased storm surges, and more frequent and intense hurricanes pose significant risks to coastal properties. Before purchasing land, it's essential to research its elevation, proximity to the coastline, and vulnerability to flooding and erosion. Another crucial factor to consider is the environmental impact of development. Jamaica is home to diverse ecosystems, including coral reefs, rainforests, and endemic species. It's crucial to choose development practices that minimize environmental damage and preserve the island's natural heritage. Sustainable building materials, energy-efficient designs, and responsible waste management are just a few ways to minimize your environmental footprint. Consider consulting with local environmental organizations and obtaining the necessary permits and approvals to ensure your development project is environmentally sound. Remember, investing in Jamaica's environment is just as crucial as investing in its real estate market. By prioritizing sustainability and responsible development practices, you can help protect the island's natural beauty for generations to come. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of due diligence when buying land in Jamaica. But what does that really entail? In essence, due diligence is the process of thoroughly investigating all aspects of a potential property purchase to make an informed decision. This includes verifying land ownership and title deeds, conducting land surveys to confirm boundaries, researching local regulations and zoning restrictions, and assessing the property's condition and any potential risks. It's also crucial to investigate the seller's reputation, particularly if you're dealing with a developer or real estate agency. Check for any history of legal disputes, financial irregularities, or complaints from previous buyers. Due diligence is not something to be rushed or taken lightly. It requires time, effort, and the expertise of local professionals, such as lawyers, real estate agents, and surveyors. Remember, the more thorough your due diligence, the less likely you are to encounter unpleasant surprises down the line. Don't be afraid to ask questions, request documentation, and seek clarification on any aspect of the purchase that you're unsure about. Transparency and open communication with all parties involved are crucial for a smooth and successful transaction. Finally, it's essential to remember that buying land in Jamaica is not just about finding a beautiful piece of property. It's also about understanding the local market, culture, and way of life. Take the time to immerse yourself in the local community, talk to residents, and experience the island's unique rhythm. Understanding the local culture will not only enrich your experience, but also help you make more informed decisions about your purchase. For instance, local knowledge can be invaluable in understanding property values, identifying up-and-coming areas, and navigating the nuances of local customs and practices. Remember, buying land in Jamaica is not just a transaction. It's an opportunity to become part of a vibrant community and experience a different way of life. Embrace the local culture, respect the island's traditions, and approach your purchase with a spirit of openness and curiosity. Meet Sarah, a young entrepreneur from London captivated by the allure of Jamaica. She dreamt of owning a piece of paradise, a place to escape the city's hustle and bustle. Scrolling through online listings, she found a charming cottage amidst lush greenery near the beach. She booked a flight to Jamaica, eager to see the property firsthand. The property, just as pictured online, was even more captivating in person. The cottage, with its vibrant bougainvillea, exuded rustic charm. The sound of waves crashing gently, the scent of tropical flowers. It was everything she had ever dreamt of. Eager to make her dream a reality, Sarah wasted no time. She met with the seller, a charismatic local who painted a rosy picture of life in this tropical haven. He spoke of the strong sense of community and laid-back lifestyle. Sarah felt like she had found her own piece of paradise. Fueled by her enthusiasm, Sarah decided to proceed with the purchase. The seller assured her that everything was in order. He presented her with official documents. Trusting his word, Sarah decided to forego hiring a local lawyer. The weeks that followed were a whirlwind of activity. Sarah wired the funds for the down payment, signed the purchase agreement, and began making plans to relocate to Jamaica. She envisioned waking up to the sound of the ocean, exploring hidden coves, and sharing evenings with newfound friends. Her cottage would generate a steady income. Life was good, or so she thought. But doubts began to surface. Sarah received conflicting information about the property's boundaries. There were disputes with neighboring landowners and unresolved legal issues. Brushing aside these concerns, Sarah focused on her dream. She began furnishing the cottage, picturing herself sipping coffee on the veranda. However, as she set up utilities and registered the property, she encountered roadblocks. The process was complex and time-consuming. Determined to get to the bottom of things, Sarah consulted a local lawyer. The lawyer, after reviewing the documents, looked at her with concern. He explained that the title deed was outdated and did not reflect current ownership. The seller had a history of property disputes and legal battles. The idyllic cottage was at the center of a complex web of claims. The seller had no legal right to sell the property. Sarah was devastated. Her dream of owning a piece of paradise was shattered. She had poured her savings into a property she didn't legally own. The charming cottage now represented a costly mistake. A hard lesson learned. The legal battle that ensued was protracted and emotionally draining. Sarah found herself caught in a foreign legal system, thousands of miles away from home, facing mounting legal fees and the prospect of losing her life savings. The dream had turned into a nightmare. The experience, though painful, served as a harsh but invaluable lesson. It highlighted the critical importance of thorough due diligence, seeking expert legal advice, and never allowing emotions to cloud judgment, especially when making a significant investment in a foreign country. It was a reminder that paradise, while alluring, often comes with hidden complexities that can quickly turn dreams into despair. Sarah's story, though unfortunate, is a stark reminder of the potential pitfalls that lie beneath the surface of paradise. It underscores the importance of approaching any property purchase in Jamaica, or any foreign country for that matter, with a healthy dose of caution, skepticism, and a commitment to thorough research. While Jamaica undoubtedly offers incredible opportunities for those seeking to invest in a piece of paradise, it's crucial to remember that paradise lost can be a costly and heartbreaking experience. Don't let your dream become a cautionary tale. Be informed, be prepared, and most importantly, be wise. Paradise protected. As we've seen throughout this journey, the allure of Jamaica is undeniable. The island's natural beauty, vibrant culture, and relaxed pace of life are a siren song to those seeking a slice of paradise. Owning a piece of this Caribbean gem, waking up to the sound of waves and the scent of tropical flowers, is a dream many hold dear. But as with any dream, the path to realizing it requires a healthy dose of reality. Buying land in Jamaica is not just a transaction, it's a significant investment, one that carries both potential rewards and inherent risks. The hidden costs, the legal complexities, the potential for market volatility, these are not obstacles to deter, but rather factors to understand and navigate with careful consideration. Remember Sarah's story. Her experience, though unfortunate, serves as a potent reminder that paradise unprotected can quickly turn into a costly lesson. Due diligence is not just a buzzword, it's your shield and your guide. Thorough research, expert legal counsel, a trusted local real estate agent, these are not optional extras, but essential components of a successful and secure purchase. Think of it this way, you wouldn't dive into unfamiliar waters without first checking for currents, depths, and potential hazards. Buying land in Jamaica, or any foreign country, deserves the same level of caution and preparation. Charting your course. So, where do you go from here? Knowledge is power. Arm yourself with information. Research the Jamaican real estate market, familiarize yourself with local laws and regulations, and seek expert guidance. Engage a reputable lawyer, one who can guide you through the legal intricacies. A local real estate agent can be an invaluable ally. Trust your instincts. If a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. Remember, this is a significant investment. Jamaica welcomes you with open arms, but it's up to you to ensure your welcome is a lasting one. Turn your dream of owning a piece of paradise into a reality. Join the conversation. So, what are your thoughts on buying land in Jamaica? Have you had any experiences, good or bad, that you'd like to share? We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate tips and insights. Until next time, happy house hunting.